The question is, select the rate law that correspond to the data shown for the following reaction 2A plus B that gives us C plus D. Four different data is given. So for this question, the key concept for this question is rate law expression. Rate law expression. What rate law expression tells us? It tells us rate of reaction of component, rate of reaction for the reaction is K into concentration of A raised to the power m and concentration of B that raised to the power n. We have in this question it is given that, so we have to find out four different equations for these given data. For first equation, we have rate of reaction is 7.5 into raised to the 10 to the raised to the power 3, that is K into concentration of A. This is given, concentration of A is given 0.1 raised to the power m, and concentration B that is given 0.1 that raised to the power n. It is first equation. For second equation, it is given that rate of reaction is 9.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, that is equal to K into concentration of A 0.3 raised to the power m, and concentration of B is given 0.2 that raised to the power n. This is our second equation. For third equation, rate of reaction is given 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 1, that is equal to K into concentration of A that is given 0.3 raised to the power m, and concentration of B that is given 0.4 raised to the power n. It is our third equation. For fourth equation, rate of reaction is given 3 into 10 raised to the power 2, that is K into, for concentration A is given 0.4 raised to the power m and 0.1 raised to the power n. That is our fourth equation. Let's find out what to do now. If we one first equation is divided by fourth equation, that tells us 7.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, that is equal to K into 0.1 raised to the power m and 0.1 raised to the power n divided by K into 0.4 raised to the power m into 0.1 that raised to the power n. So in this, K and K cancelled, this cancelled to this 7.5. if we turn it into 75 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 upon 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Now here is 1 upon 4, it gone to 4 times, that is 1 upon 4. We can write it 1 upon 4 0.25 that raised to the power m. Here 75 goes by 3 in 25 times, and this, if we calculate, so 25 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, this will goes up and reduces to 10 raised to the power 2, that is equal to 0.25 raised to the power m. It is, this expression is written as 0.25 is equal to 0.25 raised to the power m. So for this case, m is equal to 1. Now we have to find out n. What is n? If we go for second and third equation, simply we have to divide second equation by third equation, second equation by third equation is equal to, second equation is 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, that is divided by 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 1, that is equal to k into concentration, k into 0.3 raised to the power m into raised to the power m and 0.2 raised to the power n, divided by third equation, k into 0.3 raised to the power m and 0.4 raised to the power n. Now k gone with k, this gone with this gone with 1/2. So in that case 9, if we write 9 into this decimal gone for this 10, and 9 is 9 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 1, and 36 into 10 raised to the power minus 1, 10 raised to the power minus 1 and 10 raised to the power minus 1 is gone cancelled, 9 4s are 1/4, and here is 1/2 raised to the power n, and here is 1/2 raised to the power 2 for n is equal to 1/2 raised to the power n. This will give us n is equal to 2. So for the entire reaction we have rate expression is k into a raised to the power m and b concentration of b raised to the power n. We have find out k m is calculated 1 and n is calculated 2. So m is 1 and b, that is, so our rate is option second. Thank you.